Hey everybody, and welcome to Traders Inside. I just want to go over a few oil stocks today that all have the same setup that I really like, and which I'm going to take a look at once the market opens later today. So we can look here at APC, and we can see stock. It's just kind of been averaging downwards for the past 2 months or so. Now, what we're looking at right now is it's coming into this trend line area. It broke through the other day, and it's also about to pass through its ATR. So if I'm going to take a directional assumption here, just that it's going to go lower, taking a look at the trade panel, we can see that right now the price is at 67.14. So if I want to take a directional assumption, first thing I need to take a look at is the current IV, which is about 5%, and the HV is about 8%, so it's pretty low right now. So selling calls probably isn't the best way to go. I mean, the only thing, let's take a look at the one strike out, and that's going to be 62 cents on a $2.50. So if this were to go, it'd be a 1 to 3. So risk 3 to make 1, and it's okay. I mean, we'd probably have to get a little bit closer, but there is no middle price here. So let's take a look at the buying a vertical put spread. So here we're looking at $1.10 on a $2.50 wide spread, and that would be a max profit of 1,400 and max loss of 1,100. So if I was pretty bearish on this, which I am, I'm going to wait for the open today and see how it pans out. If we get a clear break lower, I'm definitely going to get in and take a look at this put trade again. Selling the calls as well too, maybe a good option. We can actually do both trades and see how they pan out. Another stock which I was looking at was VLO, kind of the same pattern where it pushed up, it's been pushing lower, it's right on the brink of its ATR trail stop. So we could see it push through, and that would kick off some downward selling pressure. Additionally, let's take a look at Garmin. I like this because we've had this channel that's been continuing on for about 2-3 months, and we've pushed through the other day. So if we take a look at the options, again, volatility is going to be super low on all of these, 27%, which we wouldn't be able to sell any puts here without being pretty much right at the money. Taking a look here, if we wanted to sell puts on a $2.50 wide spread, I get 70 cents. I mean, that's decent, but that's right at the money. I mean, that's a 61% probability out of the money. So you're really just taking a 50-50 chance there. To get any good probabilities here, you'd have to look at this 45 strike, which, again, there's not going to be too much premium there. So what really we'd be looking at is buying a vertical spread. And if we take a look at that, we're looking at $1.49 on a $2.50 wide spread. If we confirm and send, yeah, so that's risk 1.5 to make 1. Looks like we can open this up a little bit. So that's almost at the 50. So maybe we can go 2 strikes. So let's take a look at this vertical spread again, and we'll go 2 strikes to the 52.5. So there we go. Risk 1 to make 1. And we're about halfway there already. We just have to get an increase of about 40 cents on the stock price for it to break even. So those are the trades that I like today, and we will be back tomorrow with some more recommendations.